Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to How To, or if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our content. Today, we're exploring a topic that can be both exciting and nerve-wracking: how to kiss your girlfriend for the first time. If you're ready to make that special moment memorable, let's dive right in. Build a connection. Before the big moment, it's crucial to build a strong connection. Get to know her. Spend time getting to know her interests, personality, and boundaries. Establish trust. Create a safe and comfortable environment where both of you feel at ease. Recognizing the right moment. Timing is everything when it comes to that first kiss. Eye contact. Pay attention to prolonged and meaningful eye contact. It's often a sign of mutual attraction. Flirtation. If you've been flirting and there's a playful atmosphere, it might be the perfect time. Intimate settings. Choose a moment when you're alone or in a private setting. Approach with confidence. Approaching the first kiss with confidence is key. Maintain good hygiene. Fresh breath and clean appearance are a must. Start slow. Begin with gentle touches, like holding hands or a light hug. Verbal consent. If you're uncertain, you can even ask, "Can I kiss you?" The kiss itself. Let's talk about the kiss itself. Soft and gentle. For the first kiss, keep it soft and gentle. There's no need for anything too passionate. Closed eyes. Most people prefer to close their eyes during a kiss for added intimacy. Lip care. Ensure your lips are soft and not chapped. After the kiss, what happens after that first kiss is important too. Communication. Share your feelings and thoughts afterward. It can be a bonding experience. Respect boundaries. If she didn't seem comfortable, respect her boundaries and give her space. Plan future moments. If the kiss went well, plan future romantic moments together. There you have it, folks. Kissing your girlfriend for the first time is a beautiful and memorable experience. Building a connection, recognizing the right moment, and approaching with confidence are the keys to success. Remember, communication is crucial, and respecting boundaries is a sign of respect and maturity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and share your own first kiss stories or tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care, and may your kisses always be filled with love. Thank you for joining us today on How To. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.